When it comes to business writing, the idea of keeping your brand level consistent in communication across platforms and different teams is difficult. That is where Writer.com comes in. It's a tool that helps writers create better sentences, correct grammatical errors, and maintain brand consistency across every touchpoint in the writing process. Using artificial intelligence, this platform helps you use the right language with the right word choices so that your message is clearly and consistently conveyed to your intended audience. Writer.com is crammed full of powerful features that let you style content and ensure that everything you write is in the same tone of voice, free from all kinds of errors. Onboarding is pretty simple. As soon as you're done signing up, you're taken directly to the dashboard itself where you can start writing your content. With its easy-to-use interface, Writer.com offers everything you need to automate your content strategy, stay consistent, and create clear on-brand content. On the right side of the screen, you can find some useful information such as how much time it takes to read your post, average sentence length, word count, as well as grade level. After analyzing your written content, Writer will give you a number from 0 to 14. The higher the number, the harder the readability of your text is. To improve your readability level, Writer also gives you suggestions on the right side of the screen. If you don't understand its suggestion, you can always click on Learn More and read a brief and very educational explanation of it. Writer.com uses advanced artificial intelligence to notify you of errors in real time as you type by highlighting errors in different colors. Besides identifying errors in real time, it will also give you suggestions on the right side of the screen to select better alternatives to the written words and even fix your errors. Other than that, you can also create a content design system using templates and examples to make it easy for people to write about your brand and remain consistent. Another great thing about Writer.com is that it offers cross-platform compatibility and can be used with almost any platform, including Microsoft Word, Google Docs, Outlook, and it even has a Chrome extension. When it comes to pricing, Writer offers flexibility with a couple of different plans. In addition to that, there is a free forever plan that gives you access to some of the basic features offered by this platform. You can also find a detailed breakdown of the different pricing plans that this platform offers and learn more about it by clicking the link in the description. Overall, Writer.com is an excellent writing assistant for anyone who writes, creates contents, or supervises a team of writers. Through writing suggestions and highlighting your mistakes, it helps you create an impact by improving the quality of your writing. It helps you get into the writing zone by letting you know what works and what doesn't the very moment you write it.